Assalamu alaikum. This is a new video in which we will discuss the step number 8, which is Qouma. So Qouma is a standing position after the ruku. Like when we completed the ruku and we recited 3 times the tasbih, we have to stand straight and then return to the qiyam position, and this qiyam position after the ruku is called Qouma. Some people make mistake in Qouma, like they don't stand straight after the ruku, they just stand half and then went to the sajda. This is wrong. The important thing of Qouma is that the person who is reciting the salat should stand straight from ruku and return to the qiyam position, keeping your arms straight by your side. And then in that standing position, you have to recite Sami Allahu liman hamidah, Sami Allahu liman hamidah, and then Rabbana lakal hamd. You can see the Qouma position in the picture. And then after doing the Qouma, you have to go to the sajda. After reciting Rabbana walakal hamd, you will say Allahu Akbar, and then you will go in the sajda. So for the sajda, what you have to do is, you have to first place the knee on the ground, and then the second you have to place your hands on the ground, and then you have to place your head on the ground between the hands. And then ensure that the nasal bone and the forehead properly rest on the ground, focusing sight at the nose. Keep your body parts close together in sajda. This is for the girls. With arms touching sides, belly touching thighs, thighs touching shins, and shin touching the ground. Draw feet out towards the right side. You can look at the girl, her feet position and the sajda position. So in the sajda, what thing is important is the sequence. First you have to place your knees on the ground, and then you have to place your hands on the ground, and after it you have to place your head on the ground. And the other thing which is important is you should be ensure that the nasal bone and the forehead properly rest on the ground. And then after going to the sajda, like when you're in the proper position of sajda, what you have to recite is Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. You have to recite this tasbih 3 times.